She put this in her hair. It's amazing what happened after. Today we will talk about how important it is to put pomegranate juice on the hair. Pomegranate juice is a wonderful natural drink rich in benefits and detoxifying properties. But it is not only used for drinking. The pomegranate is the fleshy fruit of the pomegranate, a tree that we find in both tropical and subtropical areas. As far as the fruit is concerned, it is a very characteristic food, of globose aspect and a bigger size than the one that owns an apple, of hard bark and color brown to red, in whose interior we are with wonderful seeds that in definitive are the main ones that contribute their incredible qualities, properties and benefits. It is a fruit known to be autumn, although it is true that in several developed countries it is possible to find it in the summer months. In fact, it becomes a fruit of choice for the hottest months of the year for its refreshing qualities. It is even possible to find it throughout the year. When it comes to enjoying its different benefits, there are two basic options. The first, and most common, is to consume fresh and whole seeds. To achieve this, it is necessary to cut the pomegranate in half and try to extract its seeds by giving light strokes on the hard crust with the help of a spoon. On the other hand, another ideal option is to make a wonderful pomegranate juice. How to prepare pomegranate juice? Ingredients needed: 1 or 2 pomegranates, honey, stevia or brown cane sugar optional. Steps to make the pomegranate juice. Although it is possible to prepare pomegranate juice by liquefying the seeds in the blender, there is a much simpler option since it is not necessary to extract its seeds with a spoon. Just use your juicer, yes, the same one with which you make orange juice or lemon. Wash the pomegranates well, cut them in half and squeeze them well. You will notice that some seeds will remain attached to the juicer. If so, you can consume them whole without crushing them. Now comes the most important part of this video. If you put pomegranate juice in your hair for 7 days, you will notice that your hair has much brighter. Let it sit for 30 minutes each time you wear it. You will also notice longer hair.